Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install CoolWallet app. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Then type CoolWallet app. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on Install. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection during the installation process. Now let it download. After the download has successfully finished, tap on Open. You can now access the app by logging in or signing up as instructed by the app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.